Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, open Gallery app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot located at the top left corner. As you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. To exclude some of them that you wish to keep, tap on the chosen ones. Then, to get rid of the rest, tap on Delete between Share and More at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!